What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you these HD detachable saddlebags for your Softail. Sized for the commute to work or a ride across the country, these modern bags are beautifully styled to complement the look of the Softail cruiser models. They feature a flip-back lid and a reinforced vinyl wrap body with perforated style panels, and are finished with nickel snap-to-close hardware and a black chrome Harley-Davidson signature medallion. They're completely removable with the simple pull of the internal handle and a rearward slide, and when removed from the bags, leave behind simple, inconspicuous stocking points. All the required mounting hardware is included. These bags fit 2018 and later Softail models and do require installation of the license plate and turn signal relocation kit, which is sold separately. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.